Okay, before anything else, thank you from everyone who commented and reacted sa video natin about the thyroid. And patapos naman ng July, and maganda. We are seeing engagement on what are things that you need to know about thyroid and Graves' disease. Pero, siyempre, video kwento, impromptu. Pag-usapan natin yung interpretation ng thyroid function test. Kasi marami nagtatanong tungkol doon. Now, sabi ko nga, pinakamahalagang test na kailangan mapagawa would be your thyroid stimulating hormone test or your TSH. Kasi doon na magkakaroon tayo ng succeeding assessments for your thyroid. Now, let's say for example, TSH is high, tapos your thyroid hormones like your FT4 or FT3, your free T4 and free T3 na nagsisirculate sa katawan, okay, is low. Okay? We call it hypothyroidism, meaning hindi nakakapag-function na maayos yung thyroid gland because it lacks the hormones that is producing. Despite that, mataas yung TSH from the pituitary gland to signal your thyroid gland to produce more hormones. Okay? Kadalasan ito sa cases na may mga viral infection or even yung autoimmune na thyroiditis. Okay, like your Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Now, paano kapag yung TSH naman ay 0 or mababa, tapos yung FT3 and FT4 sobrang taas. Okay? That is what we call an overactive reaction of your thyroid gland na kahit sinasabi na ng master gland, ng pituitary na mag-stop na siya mag-produce, produce pa rin siya ng produce. Okay? Doon na tumapasok ang primary hyperthyroidism. So, kung primary hyperthyroidism naman, there's an overproduction of the thyroid hormones. And in that case, okay, madalas yung mga cases na yan, they fall under the category of the disease called Graves' disease. Majority ng hyperthyroidism are Graves' disease or GD. Other than that, they would also note toxic adenoma, okay, as usual culprits for hyperthyroidism. Now, paano naman kapag 0 or mababa ang TSH, pero normal yung thyroid function? Well, kung normal naman yung thyroid function, thyroid hormone. Well, paano pag ganon? Well, ibang category na yon, pwede siyang tinatawag na subclinical hyperthyroidism. That is also similar with kung masyadong mataas ang TSH pero normal ang thyroid hormones like FT3, FT4, subclinical hypothyroidism. So, in those strict sense, kailangan din ma-address, okay, yung entirety ng treatment ng pasyente. Kung may mga ganitong sitwasyon na ito yung results nyo, magpatingin pa rin sa doktor para magabayan kayo ng maayos. Okay? Hopefully may naintindihan kayo sa video na to and see you the next one.